Hi, this is Tony. Now, 4 or 5 years ago, I had to move to South Texas due to family reasons. It wasn't the culture that brought me here, needless to say. And it's very obvious that I'm not from here. In fact, I stick out like a sore thumb. But as I do in most places I go, as soon as I moved there, I decided I needed to start planting trees. Here it is, January 8th. It's currently 90 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is not that unusual. I mean, it's very hot here most of the time. And so because of that urban heat island effect, we have a mass of concrete and it heats up in the heat of the day. And then once the sun goes down, that heat island, all that concrete, it's got a high thermal capacity. It continues to radiate heat as it slowly cools off and long after the sun goes down, and doesn't finally cool off until probably 1 or 2 in the morning. And then the sun comes up a few hours later, starts heating up the ground. So the whole area ends up being 10 to 15, maybe 20 degrees on really hot days, hotter than it would otherwise be. And so it quickly occurred to me, though, while I was planting trees here, that the dominant culture here just hates plants. I couldn't really understand it because, you know, where I come from, we tend to like street trees. We like the shade. We like it not being so bleak and filled with concrete. It's still very bleak where I'm from, but, you know, not as bleak as it would otherwise be. That said, I did learn that the culture down here hates trees and kind of hates plants in general, mainly because they think it's messy. It's a result of cultural indoctrination over many decades. And so the net result is that you don't have many street trees, and it's generally hot as balls all the time. So my answer to that was to start planting street trees around my neighborhood, like I did right here. And the first time I planted something here, the old lady who lives here, who was otherwise a very sweet old Abuelita, very wonderful woman, ripped it out. She ripped it out and threw them in the garbage. And her daughter, who's a lovely woman, and her grandson both liked the idea of planting trees, but the Abuelita did not like the idea of planting trees here. She prefers it to be 115 degrees Fahrenheit, you know, and to live on a heat island, a giant heat mat, because all you have to do is go inside and turn the AC on. So I figured, what can I do to get these Abuelitas to stop ripping my stuff out? What can I do? And then it dawned on me. I went down to the parish offices at a local church, bought some blessed religious accoutrements. I got a rosary and a candle, and I realized that lady, there's no way she's going to touch this thing now, okay, or else she's going to hell. Real simple. She rips this one out, she's going straight to hell. There's no getting out of that. It's official. It's been sanctioned by the church. It's been blessed. She does this now. I mean, she's not just messing with me, she's messing with God. All right, so good luck. Good luck, ma'am. All right, good luck trying to rip this one out. Fresh rosary, you can still smell the rose water from it, huh? She won't touch it.